Good morning. Ako nga pala si Teacher Anjanette Novas. Ako nga pala ang magtuturo sa subject natin na science. Okay. Ang ituturo ko is all about weather disturbance in the Philippines and their effects to daily life. Okay. Before we start, let us stand for a prayer. Okay. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us, without bringing us to us.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, who is absent for today class?
Nothing.
Okay, very good. Perfect attendance. Okay. Okay, class. Mag-exercise muna tayo before we start our lesson. Okay. Alam niyo yung my toes, my knees, class?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Start. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. 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 Okay, that's all. Okay. Okay, you may now take yourself. Okay. Before we start our lesson, please makinig ng mabuti. Okay. Do you have idea what is cyclone? Class? Okay, coming. What is cyclone?
Cyclone. A system of winds rotating and enterwards to an area at low atmospheric pressure with a counterclockwise.
Okay, very good. Okay. Cyclone. Cyclone is a storm system of winds that rotates about a center of low atmospheric pressure, advance at a speed of 20 to 30 miles. So, ang iyang kabilison is 20 to 30 miles an hour and often brings heavy rains. So, magdala ni siya break 1. Okay, let's proceed to weather disturbance in the Philippines and their effects to daily life. Okay, tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclone occur within the Philippine area in the Pacific Ocean and in the West Philippine Sea. Okay, cyclone. Cyclone that develops from the Pacific Ocean generally moves in a west to northwest direction. So gikan na siya sa Pacific Ocean, generally moves to the west to the northwest direction. Pato siya sa northwest direction then. Okay. The classification of tropical cyclone in the Philippines according to the strength of winds. Okay. The weather disturbance in the Philippines. Okay. Tropical disturbance. It is an isolated weather system when circulation. This is commonly observed throughout the wet tropics and subtropics. Okay. Number 2 is tropical depression. It is a week of low pressure disturbance with a definition surface circulation maximum wind of speed of 61 km per hour. So, may lakas siya nga 61 km per hour. Then, tropical storm. Tropical storm is a moderate tropical cyclone with maximum wind speed of 82 to 88 km per hour. So, may bilison siya nga 82 to 88 km per hour. Then, last is typhoon. is an intense tropical cyclone with maximum wind speed of 188 to 220 kilometer. So may ka bilisyon siya nga hangin of 188 to 120 kilometer per hour. Most of the times, a typhoon is accompanied by heavy rains and strong winds. Okay. What are the 4 weather disturbances in the Philippines? Okay. Who can answer? Okay. What are the 4?
Tropical disturbances, tropical depression, tropical storm, and typhoon.
Okay, very good. Okay. How many wind speed of typhoon? Okay, who can answer? Please. Okay.
There are 188 to 220 kilometer per hour of wind speed.
Oh, okay. That's a tropical that's a weather disturbance in the Philippines. There are 4 tropical disturbance, tropical depression, tropical storm, and typhoon. Okay, let's proceed to RSWs. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. RPSTWS or Revised Public Storm Warning System. So, PSWS number 1. Lead time hours niya is 36. Then, wind kilometer per hour niya is 30 to 60 kilometer per hour. Then, ang impact niya sa number 1 is very light damage. So, dili pa kay hinay lang, very light lang. Ang damage niya, gamay lang. Oh, number 2. Ang lead time hours niya is 24 hours. Then, ang wind kilometer niya is 61 to 120 kilometer per hour. Then, light to moderate damage niya. Oh, okay. Number 3 is 18. 121 to 120. Ang impact niya is moderate to heavy damage lang. Oh, medyo moderate lang. Okay. Number 4 is lead time hours niya is 12. Then ang wind kilometer per hour niya is 171 to 100 to 220 kilometer per hour. Then heavy to very heavy damage. So medyo nag-alaman mo na siya, heavy to very heavy damage na. Okay. Then number 5 is 12 lead time hours niya. Then ang wind kilometer niya is more than 220. So kusog na gini siya, more than 220 kilometer per hour na siya. Then very heavy to widespread damage. So grabe gini siya nga kusog. Okay. Let's proceed to do you understand the revised public storm warning system?
Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed to I'll give you example of damage of okay, I will give you one example of the damage. A sentence. Okay. The farmer crops are destroyed when there are heavy rains which result of flooding. So that's an example of effects of typhoons. Okay. Identify if the statements describe the effects of typhoons. Yes or no. If this describes the typhoons, okay, of effect of typhoons, yes. If not, no. Okay. Number 1. Loss of lives and damage of properties happen than the flooding and landslides? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 2. Children play on the playground. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Okay, people visit malls for shopping.
No.
Oh, very good. Why it is no?
Kasi nag-shopping lang sila. Dahil sa tingin ko maganda yung panahon na yan.
Okay, then wala namang damage. Nag-shopping lang naman sila, walang damage, walang nasira. Okay. The powers of light is cut off for several days, and falling trees destroy the electric poles and power lines.
Yes.
Yes, why?
Kasi yung mga napuputol na puno is nagkukos na napuputol yung mga wire.
Okay, very good. May yung napuputol, then may din na puno. Okay, let's proceed to evaluation. Okay, please answer this in your notebook. Okay. Please answer this in your notebook. Okay. Direction. Match the description in column A with the item of column B. Then write your answer in your notebook. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Please get your notebook. Okay. I'll give you 10 minutes class. Okay. Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. So let's proceed to evaluation. Let's proceed to assignment. This is for assignment for tomorrow class. Okay. Assignment. Okay. Write yes if the statement tells the effect of winds on living things and environment. Write no if not. Okay, number 1. Electric power distribution and communication service severely disrupted. Number 2. Total damage of banana plantation. Yes or no lang ha? Number 3. Marie climbs the mango tree. Number 4. Stay at home and listen to weather forecast. Again. Okay. That's all for today then. Okay. Let's stand for a prayer for the end. Okay.
In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Oh Lord, thank you so much for the peace upon us, and always remember you now forever. Amen.
Okay.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye, Mom.
Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow. Okay. That's all for